They can't go sit down, you know?
It's a picnic you come.
No, but no, me go hungry, so me carry food. Oh, and carry extra.
Alright.
You can't eat dry bone, you have a choke. Stop.
You know certain things are not really good for you, right?
Whisper you go like you're old man. Oh, wait. That's why you want fitness freak.
Alright. I'm gonna see myself today. You alright now?
Yeah, alright now. Pull this me.
How was today?
It's alright, you know, boss. She need to become more focused, but she a catch on, she quick.
You know the focus are the most important part of this, right?
Well, bossy, you have to help her with that, you know, because me seems like a total distraction based on what me see.
I love her spirit though.
Well, one thing I can tell you, bossy, she fit and she's strong.
Alright. Focus. How was training today?
I learn what you today. See me here? I'm a kick to whisper in her chest and go so.
Alright. Need to work on your focus. Come with me.